And I told yesterday, what if you differentiate, you'll get the answer is inspection method. Here when I observe denominator is x minus 1, here I have x minus 1, I'll try to make this x minus 1 by taking x square common. Now whenever you have product of two terms, we have parts. Still we have not started with integration by simple. Multiply root x inside, it will be in the form a per m into a per n, use a per m plus n and integrate. 3 is what? Numbers. All numbers are constant, so 3 is constant, take it out, use the property. What is the property? So inspection method. I am not following inspection method because first 11 problems I taught you by inspection method. Welcome to the session, dear students. In my last class I taught you some of the basic problems of integrals, that is exercise 7.1. Today we will go ahead with some more problems of integrals. So now find the integral of the following. They gave integration of x cube plus 3x plus 4 by root x. Either you can use inspection method or use formula method. I told you in my last class also I have done so many problems by inspection. So directly now you are used to formula, use the formula to get the answer. So first reduce the problem to standard form. X cube plus 3x plus 4 divided by root x divided by root x divided by root x dx. Can I write? So you know, if you have a plus b plus c, if you have a plus b plus c divided by say 2, can you write it as a by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2? If you take LCM, 2 will be the LCM. Like that I am splitting. First term by denominator, plus is there, put plus. Second term by denominator, plus is there, put plus. Third term by denominator. Now use law of indices. X power 3 minus half. Means all of you know what is root x. In mathematics, root x can be written as x power half. And also you know a power m by a power n. A power m by a power n can be written as a power m minus n. So now x power 3 by x power half. Half if I take, it will become minus half, plus 3 into x power 1 minus half, plus 4 into 1 by root x. Let it be, because we have standard format. So now we'll simplify each term, then we integrate each term, and we use integration formula to integrate, that is x power n. Integration of x power 3 minus half, if you take LCM, 2 3 is 6, 6 minus 1 5, 5 by 2, plus 3 into x power, or if you know 1 minus half is half, then plus 4 into 1 by root x, let it be as it is. Now integrate each term. To integrate, use the formula integration of x power n. So now first term is integration of x power 5 by 2 dx, plus 3 is constant, take it out, integrate x power half dx. Again 4 is constant, take it out, integration of 1 by root x dx. Now use the required formula. All of you know the formula. So standard functions. I taught you standard functions. Please recollect standard functions. What is integration of x power n? Integration of x power n is what? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Integration of x power n plus x power n. Integration of x power n. What is integration of x power n dx? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So we'll use that formula. If you use that formula, it will become x power 5 by 2 plus 1. 5 by 2 plus 1 divided by 5 by 2 plus 1 plus c, x power half plus 1 by half plus 1 plus 4 into, all of you know integration of 1 by root x is 2 root x. After integrating each term, see if you have more than one term, integrate each term. We have done it. Then put plus c. You should not write plus c for each term, because for every term if you write constant, sum of all the constants is constant. ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ? ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟೇ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ದಿಸ್. So now we need to simplify this. So further we need to simplify and solve. So that will give you x power 5 by 2 plus 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 5, 7, 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2. Divided by 7 by 2 becomes 2 by 7. 3 into x power half plus 1. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Taking LCM. X power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus 4 2s are 8 root x plus c. And this 3 and 3 cancels. 2 goes to numerator. Finally, you will be left out with 2 by 7. X power 7 by 2 plus 2 goes to numerator. 2 into x power 3 by 2 plus 8 root x plus c is the final answer. I'm using the formula antiderivative or integral, both means same. And I told yesterday, what if you differentiate, you'll get the answer is inspection method. To begin with, we have done inspection method. Now use the formula method to get the answers. So next, x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 divided by this. So you can write this as x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Please concentrate on the denominator. Denominator in the last problem, if you see the last problem, we have only one term. But now we have two terms, x minus 1. You cannot split it. Or if you split, we cannot divide them. So the reason is very simple. Here we have two terms. So that's why use your brains. What is denominator? X minus 1. Try to get x minus 1 in numerator. Already you have x minus 1 here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x minus 1 ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So we'll group them. X cube minus x square. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ take highest term. Out of x cube and x square, highest is, sorry, take least term. X cube ಮತ್ತು x square ಅಲ್ಲಿ take x square common. So if I take out of these two, take x square common. If you do that, this will become x. This will become minus 1. Plus what is left out? X minus 1. I am taking common from only these two terms divided by x minus 1. Now I'll group them. So can I write the problem as x square into x minus 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. This is the problem dx. So I'm putting brackets for this. I'm grouping them. So now can we split this? If you split this, it will become integration of x square into x minus 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. So I'm splitting the first term by x minus 1, second term by x minus 1 dx. After splitting, you can cancel the like terms. Here I can cancel x minus 1 and x minus 1, x minus 1 and x minus 1. After you cancel, whatever is left out, you write them. Cancel ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಏನು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇದು ಬರೀ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಈಚ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್? Integration of x power n. What is integration of x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So integration of x square is x cube by 3. Integration of k dx is kx 1x plus c. See here only last step I am integrating. Final answer x cube by 3 plus x plus c. And we used only two formulae. What are the two formulae we used? Formula 1 is I used integration of k dx. Integration of constant into dx is kx plus c. And we used integration of x power n. What is integration of x power n dx? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Is there an integration formula plus c? So ಇದೊಂದು formula use ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. See here, dear students, integrations are not tough, but reducing the given problem to integrable form. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ integrable form convert ಮಾಡೋದು intelligence. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x minus 1 ಇತ್ತು. So use your brains, x minus 1. So here we have already x minus 1. And from these two, take x square common. ಇದೆರಡರಲ್ಲೂ x square common ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು x minus 1 ಬಂತು. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು x minus 1 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇದೆರಡರಲ್ಲೂ x minus 1 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. x square into x minus 1 by this plus x minus 1 by this. ಅಥವಾ ನೋಡಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡನ್, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಐಲ್ ಶೋ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಇದೆ ಆನ್ಸರು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಐಲ್ ಗೋ ಅಹೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಅಗೇನ್ ಐಲ್ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆದರೂ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅದರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್? ಅದರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ is from numerator take common. So final answer you will get same. We have solved it. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಏನು? ಸೊ ಇದೆರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಒನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳ್ಕೊಳತ್ತೆ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದರೆ 1 ಆಯಿತು, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಏನಿದೆ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇದೆ, ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ನೌ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ದಿಸ್. You can cancel this and this. Again you are left out with what? X square. So integration of x square dx plus integration of 1 dx. What is integration of x square dx? X cube by 3. Integration of 1 dx, 1x plus c. Final answer you will get same. Any method is fine. But very important is, given problem will not be readily in integrable form. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಮು ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. You have to observe that and you have to simplify. Here when I observe denominator is x minus 1, here I have x minus 1, I will try to make this x minus 1 by taking x square common. Then I can take common and simplify. Simplifying plays important role. For simplifying, your skills of algebra, factorization as well as observation, these three helps you. Now integration of 1 minus x into root x. Very simple. Outside we have one term, in brackets we have two terms. First you multiply this, it will become simple. Multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Can I write it as 1 into root x is root x minus x into root x is x root x dx. Now simplify this, it will become integration of root x dx minus integration of x root x dx. Root x means I can write it as x power half, and x root x, x power 1 plus half. Still I am not integrating. All of you know x root x means x into root x. So x is x power 1, this is x power half. Now you can use law of indices. What is a power m into a power n? A power m plus n. So I am using this. This is x power 1, this is x power half. A power m into a power n. A power m into a power n is what? Law of indices. A power m into a power n idre bases same idre, you can add the powers. So I have x power 1 and x power half. So I can add the powers. X power 1 plus half. Now that is integral of x power half dx minus integral of 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 dx. Now integrate this. Integration of x power half is x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 minus x power 3 by 2 is means half plus 1, 3 by 2 plus 1. So one more step I skipped, I'll write it here. So after integrate, what is integration of x power n? What is integration of x power n? Integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So I want to write directly, or you can integrate it. Integration of x power half is x power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 minus x power 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Further simplify it, it will become x power half plus 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 by 2, LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 1s are 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 goes to numerator, minus is there. So 3 by 2 plus 1 means 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 3 5 by 2, x power 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 goes to numerator plus c. That's it. I hope all of you understood. So multiply and simplify and integrate. Then root x into 3x square plus 2x, same thing, multiply root x. So integration of, take root x inside, so it will become 3x square into root x plus 2x into root x plus 3 into root x dx. Now you know integration of 3 x square into x power root means half plus 2x into root means x power half plus 3 x power half dx. Now whenever you have product of two terms, we have parts. Still we have not started with integration by parts or product rule. Directly use a power m into a power n. To solve this, first you should know law of indices. In law of indices you studied the basic. A power m into a power n in maths can be written as a power m plus n. So same thing. So this is the logic we use. to simplify. So we use theory of indices. So if you see a power m into a power n, so basis same ಇದೆ, powers add ಮಾಡಿ. So integration of 3 into x power 2 plus half plus 2 into x power, this is 1 plus half plus 3 into x power half. Still don't integrate until the problem reduces to x power n format. Now 2 plus half, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So it will become integration of 3 into x power 5 by 2 plus dx plus, or next step we can integrate. First let us simplify, that is, then 2 into x power 1 plus half is 3 by 2 plus 3 into x power half is there. So now integrate each term. Integration of 3 into x power 5 by 2 half dx plus 2 into integration of x power 3 by 2 dx plus integration of 3x power half dx. So now each term is in standard form. All of you know 3 is a constant. If it is constant, take it out. Integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, 5 by 2 plus 1 divided by 5 by 2 plus 1. 2 into integration of x power half a 3 by 2 is x power 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 is constant, take it out. Integration of x power half is x power half plus 1 by half plus 1. At last you should put 1 plus c integral. At last you should write 1 plus constant. That is, finally we'll be left out with 3 into x power 2 ones are 2 plus 5, 7 by 2, x power 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2 goes to numerator, already 3 is there, plus 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 3, 5, x power 5 by 2 divided by 5, already we have 2, 2 into 2 plus 3 into x power half plus 1, x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. So finally you rearrange or rewrite or simplify to get the final answer. That is the final answer, that is equal to 3 to the 6 by 7 x power 7 by 2 plus 2 to the 4 into x power 5 by 5 plus 3 to the 6, or I can 3 into, it will become 2 ones are 2, 2, 3 by 2, 3, 3 cancels, this 3 and this 3 cancels, 2 into x power 3 by 2 plus c. Simple, multiply root x inside, you will be in the form, it will be in the form a per m into a per n, use a per m plus n and integrate. While integrating, use the formula integration of x power n. What is integration of x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So next question, 2x 3 cos x plus e power x. Integrate each term. All are in integrable form, all are in the formula 3 cos x dx, then plus is there, plus integration of e power x dx. Simple and direct. All of you know 2 is constant, take it out. Integration of x dx minus 3 is constant, take it out. Integration of cos x dx plus integration of e power x dx. You know integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, so it will become 2 power 2 into x square by 2 minus 3 into integration of cos x is sin x plus integration of e power x is e power x plus c. Then you can cancel 2 and 2. So finally we are left out with x square minus 3 sin x plus e power x plus c. This is the integral formula. Next, 2x square minus 3 sin x plus 5 root x, integration of 2x square dx minus integration of 3 sin x dx, each term you integrate, plus integration of 5 root x dx. You know 2 is constant, take it out. Integrate x square dx minus 3 is what? Numbers. All numbers are constant, so 3 is constant, take it out. Use the property. What is the property? So integration of k dx. So you have learned one of the important formula or property, integration of k into f of x. If you have, you should take out the k and integrate f of x. So that is what we use here. So now integration of 3 is constant, take it out, integrate what? Sin x with respect to x. Again 5 is constant, take it out, integrate root x with respect to x. Simplify, so 2 into what is integration of x square? X cube by 3. Now it is in the form x power n. What is integration of x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus 3 into integration of sin x is minus cos x plus 5 into integration of root x. Root x means integration of root means what? Power half. Power half means it will become x power half plus 1 by half plus 1. Half plus 1 is what? 3 by 2. So it will become x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 goes up plus c. So now final result, simplify and write. So it will become 2 by 3 x cube minus into minus plus 3 cos x plus 5 2s are 10 x power 3 by 2 by 3 plus c. So it's one of the important questions. So this is also important and we have solved. Next, secant x into secant x plus tan x. So multiply secant x, integration of, if I take this inside, it will become secant x into secant x plus this into this, that is secant x into tan x. So both are standard formats. If you see the formula list we have both. Integration of secant into secant is secant square x and secant x into tan x. Yeah, antiderivative method means what if you differentiate you will get this. So inspection method, I am not following inspection method because first 11 problems I taught you by inspection method. Do by formula method so that you will get adapted to the formulas. So inspection is easy, but you have to do trial and error and you have to kill your time. So they will not ask you any method in your boards. So see, in differentiation, what if you differentiate you will get secant square x tan x. So that's why integration of secant square x is tan x. And in differentiation, what if you differentiate you will get secant x, d by dx of secant is secant into tan. That's why integration of secant into tan is secant x. Or just refer the formula list. In the formula list I gave. So integration of secant square x is tan x. Integration of secant x into tan x is secant x. Or derivative of tan x gives you secant square x. That's why integration of secant square is tan. Derivative of secant gives you secant into tan. That's why integration of secant is this. That's it. This every case, if you are thorough with the formula, just apply the formula, you will get the answer. So first you become thorough with the formula, standard functions, trigonometric functions, and 4 anti-derivatives also I discussed in my session 1. Refer session 1 and become thorough with the formula. Then if you start, these are all easy. So next, secant square x by cosecant square x. Interesting, all of you know secant square x is reciprocal of what? Cos square. And cosecant square is reciprocal of what? Sin square. So I can write it as sin square x by cos square x. So sin square x by cos square x you can write. And you know sin square x by cos square x can be written as tan square x, and then you can convert. Can I write this as secant square can be written as 1 by cos square. Similarly, cosecant square can be written as 1 by sin square. And this I'll transfer it to numerator. Can I write it as sin square goes up? So finally it is sin square x by cos square x. You know what is sin square x by cos square x? What is sin square x by cos square x? Tan square x. Sin by cos is tan, but we don't have tan square x in the formula. But you know 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. So tan square x can be written as secant square x minus 1. Wherever we get tan square x, I'll write like this. So we have an identity. What is identity? So that's why you should also be thorough with the trigonometric identities. What is the trigonometric identity? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. And what is tan square theta? Tan square theta is secant square theta minus 1. So instead of tan square I wrote secant square minus 1. So now integrate each term. So then it will become integration of secant square x dx minus integration of 1 dx. So what is integration of secant square x? In the formula list, tan x. And what is integration of k dx? Kx. 1 dx is 1x plus c. So final answer is tan x minus x plus c. If you differentiate this, tan x is secant square x and this is 1. Secant square minus 1, it will become again tan square x. Tan square x can be written as sin square by cos square. Sin square by cos square can be written like this. So first secant square was there. Secant square can be written as 1 by cos square. And cosecant square in denominator can be written as 1 by sin square. Sin square goes on top like that. So conversion, so you should be very good in trigonometric identities. Trigonometric functions formula gottidre matra convert ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. I am repeating, integrals are not difficult, but reducing each problem to integrable form is a challenge. So now 2 minus 3 sin x by cos square x, split it. Integration of, can I write it as 2 by cos square x minus 3 sin x by cos square x into dx. Further, I can write it as integration of 2, 1 by cos square is secant square x minus 3, let it be. Can I write it as sin x by cos square x, 1 sin x, I'll write it as cos x and into 1 by cos x. Because I want in any one of the ready-made formula list. In the formula list I gave some of the formula, so I want it in standard form. So first, integration of 2 secant square x minus 3 sin x by cos x is tan x into 1 by cos x. 1 by cos x is secant x dx. So now integrate each term, then it will become integration of 2 is constant, 2 secant square x dx minus integration of 3 tan x into secant x, or secant x into tan x, anything, sec x into tan x or tan x into secant x dx. You know 2 is constant, take it out, integration of secant square x dx minus 3 is constant, take it out, integration of secant x into tan x dx. So integration of secant square x is tan x, integration of secant into tan is secant x plus c. These are there in the formula list. Or what if you differentiate, you will get secant square x. So inspection method. What is meant by inspection method? What if you differentiate, you will get answer. So d by dx of what gives you secant square x? D by dx of what gives you secant square x? D by dx of tan x gives you secant square x. Do you agree? That's why integration of secant square x is tan x. And similarly, d by dx of what gives you secant into tan? If you want secant into tan, what if you integrate? So what if you integrate, again differentiation formula says secant x. D by dx of secant is secant into tan. That's why when you integrate this, you should get this. This is inspection method. I want secant square x. What if I differentiate, I'll get secant square x tan x. That's why integration of secant square is tan. ಇಲ್ಲಿ secant into tan ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದನ್ನು differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ secant into tan ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Secant. So that's why integration of secant is secant. This is inspection. But I'm repeating, you cannot trial. So learn the formula of integrals. It will become easier and faster. The step what I'm writing here, you cannot identify whether I have inspected or I'm thorough with the formula. So integral formulas, you become thorough. Now they want anti-derivative of this. They gave options, but I'm not giving option, directly will integrate. Anti-derivative. Anti-derivative is also called as what? Integral. Integral of what? Root x minus 1 by root x. And with respect to x they want. What is the answer for this? This is integration of root x dx minus integration of 1 by root x. You know integration of root x is integration of x power half dx. You know I gave in the list in my first session, integration 1 by root x is 2 root x. I have done integration plus c. And first term you integrate, if you integrate that, it will become x power half plus 1 by half plus 1. Second term already I integrated, it is 2 root x, and finally I should put plus c. That is x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 goes up, and minus 2 x power root or half, one another same, that's it. So option, one of the option is this, tick that. This is an objective in exercise, and but I am solving this. Next question, antiderivative they want. You know what is meant by antiderivative? Integral with respect to x, that's it. Next, d by dx of f of x is this, f of 2 is 0, then f of x is. For this also they give options. So now d by dx is given. What is given? D by dx kotiyare. D by dx is, d by dx of function is 4x cube minus 3x power 4. I'll put a brackets for this. If I want to remove d by dx, integrate both sides. Integrate both sides with respect to x. See, in many entrance exams, these are repeated questions. You know, anti-derivative. If you want to remove derivative, integrate. So integrate both sides. Integrate ಮಾಡಿ. Integration of d by dx of f of x with respect to x is, right side also integration of 4x cube minus 3 by x power 4 with respect to x. Now dx you can cancel. So I can cancel dx and dx. and I can cancel integral and d, so I got f of x. So in one step, integration and different dx cancels, integration and derivative cancels, so we are left out with what? F of x. F of x will call f of x is integrate, 4 is constant, take it out, integration of x cube is x power 4 by 4, minus 3 is constant, take it out, take this up, it will become x power minus 4 plus 1 by minus 4 plus 1 plus c. Further, LHS f of x is equal to 4 I can cancel, I am left out with x power 4 minus 3, it will become minus 3, x power minus 3 divided by minus 3 plus c. Further 3 cancels, minus take it up, so it will become x power 4 minus into minus plus, x power minus 3 1 by x cube plus c. This is your f of x. You got f of x. But one unknown is there. What is unknown? C. Further they gave a hint, f of 2 is 0. So put x is equal to 2. So LHS becomes f of 2, RHS becomes 2 power 4 plus 1 by 2 cube plus c. But f of 2 value they gave. What is f of 2 given? 0. In the place of f of 2 put 0. 16, 1 by 8 plus c. Solve this, you will get c also. So if you solve this, 0 is equal to, solve this, 0 is equal to, if you simplify this, 8 and 16, 8 is the LCM, 128 plus 128, sorry, plus c, I'll write here, 128 plus 1, so 0 is equal to 129 by 8 plus c, or what is c? That implies c is minus 129 by 8. So get c, put it in f of x, call it as 1. So now put c in f of x, c in f of x. So now that is f of x is equal to, what is f of x you got here? X power 4 by 1 by x cube plus c. What is c? Minus 129 by 8. Tick this option. Very interesting. They give derivative of function. D by dx of f of x ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ, LHS f of x ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು indefinite integral always gives you plus c. How to get c? At x is equal to 2 they give f of 2 is 0, so in the place of x put 2 on both sides, LHS becomes f of 2, RHS will give you a number, and f of 2 value they have given, f of 2 I wrote 0 here because they have given, in the place of f of 2 put 0 and solve it, you will get c, again resubstitute c value here and you will get the answer. I hope all of you understood this. So these are the integrals, basic integrals we have done in today's session. So in my next session, I'll be going ahead with method of substitution. But before we go to that, recollect first session, second session and third session. First session only formula and basics. Second session exercise 7.1 and third session is also exercise 7.1. First I gave introduction of method of inspection. What is method of inspection? What if you differentiate, you will get integral. And then I have done all the problems of the exercise. Please sit and recollect all the problems. Practice them once and attend the next session. Then it will be interesting. Thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.